So the problem is from the top of a cliff 350 feet high lighthouse, the angle of depression of a motorboat on the sea is 10.15 degrees. Find the distance of the boat from the base of the lighthouse. So in this image here with the cliff and the lighthouse, we can kind of estimate that this whole height is 350 feet. And the angle of depression, if we kind of estimate that this is the viewing angle from the top of the lighthouse, then the angle of depression would be kind of looking down towards the boat. I'm just going to draw up to the middle of the boat right here. So this angle right here would then be the 10.15 degrees angle of depression. And if we draw this scenario in terms of a triangle, we have the height of the lighthouse, and we have the boat right here, and we have that angle, which is 10.15 over here. So, and this over here is 350 feet. So looking at this triangle, and here's the boat, we see that since this line is going straight down, we're looking at it from the base of the cliff to the motorboat. So we can safely estimate that this is the right triangle. So this is 90 degrees down here. And if this is 90 degrees, then we know that this is also 90 degrees. And if we have 10.15 degrees for the angle of depression, then this part of the angle must be 90 degrees, the right angle, minus 10.15 degrees. And 90 degrees minus 10.15 gives us 79.85. 79.85 degrees. This is what this angle here is, 79.85 degrees. And because of the alternate interior angles, we know that the inside of this angle, the inside of this line come down here, is also 10.15 degrees. So it's the alternate interior angle theorem. So if we have 10.15 degrees down here where the motorboat is, then we're trying to find this distance right here from the base of the lighthouse to the boat. We're going to call that x. So to find that, we can use the tangent ratio. The tangent ratio tells us that tangent of theta is the opposite side of that theta degree angle over the adjacent side. So we have using this angle, we're going to use tangent of 10.15 equals the opposite of this angle, which is 350 feet, over the adjacent, which is our x. So to solve for x, we're going to multiply both sides of the equation by x. We're also going to multiply this by x. So then we have these x's cancel out, and we're left with 350 feet on this side. And over here we have x tangent of 10.15. So now to solve for x, we're going to divide both sides by tangent of 10.15. So then these tangents cancel out, and we are left with x equals 350 divided by tangent of 10.15. And punching that into a calculator, we get that x equals 1,955. And we're looking to measure the distance. So since we're using the units of feet, this is going to be the base, from the base of the lighthouse of the cliff to the boat. That distance will be 1,955 feet.